Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by and visiting with me. Today I'm going to be working on a scrapbook therapy layout. I've been on a roll with this thing, and honestly I don't know how long I'm going to continue to make this one thicker and thicker and adding more pages before I consider it done and I move on to creating a second one. I started this, when did I start this, guys? I feel like early this year. So this is taking me, what is this? Oh my gosh, it's basically the 8th month of the year already. Dang. I mean, even with everything that's going on, the year's still pretty going fairly quickly. So I don't know how long I'm gonna keep working on this one, but for now, today I am, I should say. For today I am. I've changed the layout of this one. I don't know if you saw on Instagram or the previous video where I did a flip through. So I used to keep the second page of this in like this pocket. Sorry, let's see, working on other stuff. So I used to keep the other page over here, and I didn't necessarily, honestly, I don't know what to do with this pocket. Like, I didn't really love that the paper stuck out like way out here once the pocket was in there. So I decided to change it. I am going to leave it in the scrap therapy book. I just don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. So I changed it. I decided to add a pocket. This is where I ended up putting my Prima colors because I just think they're so gorgeous. And then this is the tag that went with the old layout, and all my journaling about my parents is in the back. So I just kind of tucked them in here because the pink behind it and the blue kind of matches the back of the backing of those pictures. So anyways, just wanted to say I changed that one. And another reason why I changed it is because whenever I flip these two layouts together, the pocket page did not go well. It didn't show the transition, in my opinion, the way I wanted it. So now if I open this, you could tell that the background of this paper makes this stand out. And I mean, I could have adhered it, but all my journaling is in the back as well. So I just kind of left it, and I don't know, maybe I'll add some. I'll keep changing my mind and I'll never finish my scrap therapies. So those are the only changes. Everything else is the same, but I wanted to work on this page right here. This one right here. So I could cover a little bit of that damage that's on this paper. So, and I wanted it to kind of go with this. So this is the pair. I've already sorted through my 4x6, and I actually picked out all the journaling cards that Susan sent me. I have this one, and I'm kind of obviously leaning towards the blue ones so that it brings out the blue of this page. And I was thinking that the closest ones, let me go ahead and put these ones away. So the closest ones are these. I'm just flipping through because these are very like a bright blue. This one might also go because it'll tie in the blue, and it'll tie in the kind of like the orangey color from this journal card down there. Maybe even that one, but this blue is a little bit darker, so I need not as much blue. I thought about this one also, but I don't know if that's too powerful, like too much blue. So then I think this one's gonna be the winner because it just has a little bit of that dark blue. The gray kind of ties in that blue, and then that orangey color kind of ties in this one. So super easy. I'm gonna put these away in my little container where I store my 4x6. Look how much I've decluttered, you guys. So good. I did good decluttering. And I've already picked out one of these 4x6 journal cards. This was a Christmas one, but I'm gonna use it as the background for this. So the first thing I'm gonna do, and it already has some adhesive, I'm going to, well, take off my page first. Like so. And this is the page once you open it. So let me move this aside. Okay, so I'm going to kind of put this in an angle towards the center of the page. Maybe like that. And then I want to put this one this way. But let me make sure it doesn't sit too far down. Hopefully it doesn't. Because, yeah, I'm going to have to scoot it up a little bit. So let me angle it like that. And then this, I want a little bit of the pink to peek through. So I'm going to align, well, hold on, I got to find the happy place here. Okay. So I want this one in an angle, and I'm going to align this one to this line right here so that this pink comes all the way down, and then you have the little space over there. So even though I'm trying to tie in the blue, this blue is like a teal, and this card is a gray, if you can see that. So the only thing I have is like these two washi tapes are the ones I have. They kind of match the closest to that color. And actually it's this one that works the best. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create adhere the card so that I can flip it over. And the reason why I want to do that is because I do want to journal about receiving these neat little journaling cards. So what I want to do is kind of just give me a second, guys. I'm gonna feel like I gotta cut my piece first so that I can have better control. So hold on. Temporarily, I'm going to put just a little piece to help me hold this side. Like that. And then I'm going to use the strip that I had already cut, and I'm going to, even though the papers are not straight, I'm going to, why are you still moving? Hold on. Does not want to cooperate. Okay, I want to make this as straight as I can. So even if in some areas the washi tape is going to be thicker than in other areas, that's perfectly okay. I'll show you what I mean. Give me 1 second. Is that too low? Yeah. Sorry. Give me 1 second, guys. There's a gnat. Get out of here, girl. What are you doing? There's a gnat flying around me from the fruit that we have at the house that nobody's eaten. Okay, let me cut it. Okay, so this washi tape, even though it's super thin, is gonna help me hold this card. So when I flip it, and I'm just, hold on, I'm gonna press, because as you can see, I'm gonna make sure that the line, when I flip it over, it stays. I'm gonna put some more washi tape here to help it hold it from the back. And I'm gonna try my best to put this as evenly as I can. And just press so that the line kind of, the washi tape bends according to the line. And make sure you do it again. And voila. What I want to create is maybe create a little tab right here. And then I'm going to journal right here. And I am going to make my straight lines. You guys know how I feel. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to, first of all, grab a bigger ruler. And I'm going to make sure that my lines are aligned with both pieces of paper. Like that. I could actually even put it, align my T ruler to that paper there, because I totally did not make that line straight at all. So go this way like that. See how off I was? But good thing I wasn't putting too much pressure on my pencil, and I can always come back and erase. And I'm gonna just guesstimate. Oops. Just kind of hold and then scoot. It doesn't have to be perfect, but the reason why I'm doing it like this, you guys, is watch. I mean, I'm gonna sit here and do the rest of the lines off camera. You guys are gonna skip through that. And it does look crooked, and the reason why it looks crooked is because this paper was not straight, and that's okay. So when you close this, the pink lines that's on the background will be hidden, but when you open it, reading, I need to make sure that stays. But when you're reading it, the lines of the handwriting will be straight. Does that make sense? Like, it may not be straight when you're looking at it like this, and certainly not the paper, but when you're looking across reading what I wrote, not like you guys are going to be reading, but it'll be straight, if that makes sense. So anyway, so I'm gonna sit here, and I'm probably going to move this washi tape a little bit over so it does a better job right here on that edge. And I'm gonna keep making my lines, so I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so now that I've made my lines, and you guys can see at the bottom, you're gonna have more lines here than you are here because this space is missing. We are going to add our little tab, and I want to put a title here, which I have no idea what it's going to be. I need my label maker, I feel like. I feel like I'm gonna use those stickers. I think I'm gonna title it Crafty Friends. And I'm not pressing because you guys know I changed my mind so much. Okay guys, I'm just putting the page back. I wanted to show you before I sit here and start journaling, which is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you what this layout looks like. So keep in mind that this is the layout together with this, and then here you're gonna have something else. I don't know what that is just yet, but just keep that in mind. So when you're looking at it, you're in reality looking at it like that. So very simple. I want to encourage you guys that if you have a postcard, maybe you don't have postcards, but maybe you have a really pretty 4x6 journaling card that you could use as the center of attention or at the focus point, as the focus point. I want to encourage you guys to use this because it is such a neat little way to document and journal in your, whether it's your traveler's notebook or your scrap therapy, like I'm using it for my book here. And then honestly, I kind of wish I had a little bit of the thicker washi tape because I think it would work the best. But I do have thicker washi tape, but I feel like this one goes the best with the blue of the heart. And for some reason, I can't let go of wanting to combine them, to coordinate them. So that's why I'm using this one. But I just wanted to show you I created the title, and basically my journaling is going to be about how I met Susan, the crafty swaps that we do, and the fun things that we send each other, and just kind of want to document that. But that is the layout for today, you guys. Super easy, super simple. I hope that you enjoyed. I encourage you to go in there and start playing, and you guys will have a ton of fun. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a good one. Bye.